Hello again. So for today we are going to take a look at the function concatenate. This function allows user to combine multiple different data types to one. So I have again a little data and we're just going to use concatenate, and then you see string 1, string 2, however you want. You can use cells or you can use direct input. So, and one thing that's only possible in Google Sheets is an area. So I can just use that, and I have the preview, and it's perfectly fine. Well, it doesn't have a space sign, but that's something that I would have to add in hello as example. I can also add more to the area, so we're going to A5, and you see I can also, with that you see I can also add numbers and gibberish. That's not a problem. The only thing you have to see that isn't a text. Even if there are numbers, it's a text. If you do the same and use numbers, then you see it's formatted as if it is a text. But I can calculate with it. That's something to remember. As soon as it is only numbers, you can calculate with it. If it's numbers with something else, then you can't calculate with it. It doesn't work. That's everything to know about that function, and now we're taking a look into Excel and see it there. So we have the same data and we can now do the same. We will try the area and then you see why it doesn't work. So I will just do that, and you see it stays in the same cells because Excel hasn't the ability to see it as different cells and combine them. Excel sees it as, oh, you mean I should take this area and combine each cells on the same row. So if I add a second area like that, then that would happen. Only Word and the 5 get these two added. So it's same row always. What you have to do here is add every single one separately. And then you have the same. Of course, same with here. If I want to, oh, my bad. If I want to add them separately, enter, and again it's formatted as text, but I can also with that multiply. That also works in Excel. And that's already everything you have to know about that function. And now you can use concatenate on your own. And if you now want to see how you can use COUNTIF or COUNTIFs, you can look in this video from last time, or you can take a look in the other corner where as soon as I have a new video, there is the newest one for you.